breezy day. You know, that's exactly what the engineer said when he was measuring it.
Yeah, that's all that's protecting this window is concrete. It's not even structural. I bet you anything heavy could hit this window from the inside. This will pop right out.
Well, you know, the big earthquake that's past due, of course, all the windows are going to be gone then anyway. That's why we got the tempered glass in part. And any window this size should probably be tempered.
Yeah, for sure. You see that? So what they did was they set the window and they built the trim box.
This trim's a little bit more cooperative and letting go. Look at that.
That's for interior. So
what size are they?
These are 18 gauges.
Interior nails used for the exterior trim around a window.
Mm-hmm.
I was wondering what's going on here.
Yeah, so all they did was cut out the window and leave the nail fin. Yeah, see?
Okay. What's holding that window in place right now?
You can see how it's screwed into the sub wall. That's why it moves around a lot. You can see how the screw is right there. It's diving into this.
Oh yeah, I see it. Yep.
Usually it's supposed to go into the framing, which is back here.
Huh.
And I think that's the reason why they ended up cutting out the nail fin, because they don't have the tools to cut those back.
Huh.
So they ended up just cutting the nail fin on, set it to the existing liner, and just caulk it.
Jeez, one shortcut after another. Here's a bent strip of nailing flange, aluminum nailing flange on the original windows. That's a lot of aluminum. Huh. They're cutting the screws that are barely holding the window. Here it comes. Goodbye, picture window number 1. That was a lot of work. Just extracting the window. This soft spongy stuff is called buffalo board. Kind of a sub siding, I guess, or sheathing. Probably not used anymore. But that's what's underneath this T111 and this cement board. That's not original. That was done when they placed the windows the first time.
Just because everybody's trying to get wood.
So this is the basic grinder. And we got the biscuit joint here, and this is just custom made fence here. So it's made to ride the liner so we can set the window back as far as we want.
Okay.
So that's why you can see the consistent line.
Yeah. So it's kind of like a inset.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, I see. That's what I heard from the inside. There goes the largest picture window. The wind's not helping any. Both the picture windows have been removed.
Right here is our black cords and some of our weather tape.
Weather tape.
Yep. Kind of like a piece of tape that's made out of tar. I don't know. It's kind of like,
you know, I think
when it gets really hot outside, that stuff gets really sticky and it'll come off.
I bet it's the same stuff they used on this deck.
It probably did. We usually try to go somewhat a foot up the sides, but never all the way up when doing the bottom.
So it will fit in the hole.
Yeah, just so 100% it will fit.
I can tell the old window used to have clips on there, huh?
Working on removing the kitchen window now.
Oh, there's one more.
Go down. Yep. Get the balance real quick. There you go.
One man can handle the kitchen window. Pretty much the same installation technique as the others.
Yep.